Today's adventure is going to take us to Joshua Tree National Park. Welcome to Joshua Tree National Park. Joshua Tree is definitely a hiker's park. They have a big list of all the hikes that you can take throughout the park. And then we also seen some information on how Joshua Tree got his name. And it comes from Joshua in the Bible. And there's some information on the different plants located in Joshua Tree. Joshua Tree is one of the parks we've always wanted to get to. So here we go. So we came down to check out Skull Rock here in Joshua Tree. Oh, and they have a trail. It says Bighorn Sheep Zone on the trail, so no dogs. And it looks like a skull of like an ape, like a big old head of an ape skull to me. Walk up to here. Here you go. Like the eye sockets and the nose sockets. And the big cranium. Working your way up. You coming up, honey? You need a hand? You need a hand up, babe? To the rescue. Oh, look at you. You made it. So we've made it up top here to the Skull Rock. And the view is pretty cool from here. You can see how the terrain has changed from where we were before. And you're starting to see a lot more rock features in the park. And as we get further in, we'll show you how it even changes a little more. And you get tons and tons of Joshua trees that are in the park. Here we are in Joshua Tree, and we've made it to the area known as the Cholla Garden. So we're gonna take a walk around and you'll see exactly why it's called the Cholla Garden. So we're driving down the road to this Cholla Garden, and as soon as you come out around the corner, voila, this is what you see. Chollas everywhere. I mean, everywhere.
Make sure you don't get them in your shoes and your feet.
Yeah, this could be a very sticky situation. But pretty cool. And as we came through the park, the whole terrain has changed. show you the terrain that's here surrounding the Choya Garden. And then as we head back through the park, we'll show you how the terrain changes again. So you see here, you just have thousands and thousands of choyas, and then the big mountain range back behind it. And actually, when you look down that way, to me, it looks like there's still tons and tons of choyas as you go further down, but you're not sure. But you can see what this mountain range looks like here at the Choya Garden. So we're going to just walk through a little bit, enjoy a few, and then we'll show you some other stuff when we get to another area. Hey D, I just wanted to show you. Here's the trail. Here's the people off the trail. Trail, off the trail. Violation. Don't know what kind of bird it is, but he likes the choyas. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That is really neat.
Why are you talking so soft?
So we don't run him away.
I don't think he's scared at all. I think he's good. Warning, they put this up for the people who doesn't understand that this is a sticky situation. So when we left the Choya Garden, we went through an area that looked like it was full of just creosote plants. We know we've been in different parts of the desert where you've seen a lot of creosote, and we noticed that this area was pretty full of them. So you get to see the different dynamics of how it changes. Just wanted to show you how the scenery changed again here in the park. Now we've gotten to the area where you see the rocks, big rock piles, and then Joshua trees. So different scenery changes as you drive through the park. Pretty cool. And then if you look there in the distance, you can see the snow-capped mountains. Pretty nice. And there's the picture taker taking more pictures.
Can't have enough pictures.
And they also have little yucca plants scattered throughout the park as well. So here in Joshua Tree, there's miles and miles and miles as you drive of Joshua trees everywhere. So as you drive down the road, on both sides of the road, you can see there's Joshua trees everywhere. So that's where Joshua Tree National Park has got his name from all these millions and millions of trees stretched out all across the national forest, the national park.
You can talk about little things that come out that bloom.
The little things that bloom on the end.
Yeah, and they bloom like these white chip-like things or white things that they said taste like bananas.
So who used those to survive?
I think they said the Indians did.
Okay.
Eat them as a sweet
So
treat.
the Indians
They're sweet
ate those little
Video.
pod things on the end. other things for a sweet treat. So this has been our trip to Joshua Tree. We'll probably head into the town after we leave out of the park and check out the little town of Joshua Tree. There's a couple little spots in that they said that you should check out while you're here. So we stopped by a little area called Cap Rock. Looks like the rock's about ready to fall off the top of the cliff. We sat here, ate our lunch, and now we're going to head out and check out the rest of the park. There are 9 campgrounds located inside of Joshua Tree National Park. Hidden Valley and White Tank have a size restriction of nothing larger than 25 feet. You have Ryan, Cottonwood, Indian Cove, Sheep Pass, Jumbo Rock, Bell, and Black Rock Campground also. I believe most of those have a 35-foot restriction, unless you see something else posted at the campground. These campgrounds are pretty neat, tucked in behind the rocks. Just some beautiful sights, but of course, if you don't have a smaller rig, you won't be able to enjoy the campgrounds located inside the park. The campgrounds give you a total of about 500 sites to enjoy while you're there seeing the views while visiting Joshua Tree National Park. So today is a big day. We're buying our lifetime senior pass for the national parks. She's filling out her name on there, and there she is getting her official receipt.
I'll give you that. I'll take this back, and you're all set.
Okay,
Alrighty.
I'm all set.
She's all set. So here it is, the America the Beautiful Pass. We can get in.
I don't like that it says senior on
We can get in. We can get in all the national parks for free now that we paid our $80, and we can also get discount on camping at all the Corps of Engineer parks too.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
So it's been very, very, very awesome here. Seeing the Joshua trees and learning about them was fantastic.
So we hope you guys enjoyed all the scenery and the different scenes from Joshua Tree National Park and here in Joshua Tree. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we post our next video. We appreciate all of you guys coming along. We appreciate all you guys who are faithful watchers.
Yes.
You guys really mean a lot to us, and your comments are always welcome. And appreciated. So thanks a lot for watching, and as always, thanks for coming along with Noel's Blessed Adventures.
So we came out to Joshua Tree and we stayed in the desert, BLM camping, as you can see, along with, look at the beautiful mountains, snow-covered mountains. But we're not the only ones out here as far as you can see. Sorry for the wind, it's very windy today. As you can see, campers everywhere, all the way around. And there's my lovely hubby. So it's been a great couple days out here. Perfect for work, practicing with our solar, which so far seems to be working really good.